Emily saw something, so she ran upstairs right into her brother Christian. Her brother said, "What are you crying about now?" Emily said, "I just saw the doorknob move." Christian said, "You're crazy, Emily." Then Emily started running upstairs right into her parents. She said, "I saw the doorknob move," in a panicked voice. Her parents looked at each other and sighed because they did not believe Emily one little bit either. But they knew that they had to come look. So they went to the back of the kitchen and to the back door. Then they actually saw the doorknob move, too. Right after Emily's parents saw it move, Emily ran right into her brother Christian. Again, Emily said, "I told you so," to Christian. Then Emily's mother said, "Before anyone gets mad at each other, we have to catch whoever's playing tricks on us." "Fine," said Emily. "Okay," said Christian. "Good," said their mother. "Let's go get Father." Dad, Emily called. I'm coming, called Emily's father. Once he got into the kitchen, he asked, "What's the problem?" Mom said, "Emily just saw the doorknob move." Then Emily said, "Did you ever notice whenever the doorknob moves, Christian says he needs to go to the bathroom?" "No, I don't think Christian would do such a thing like that," said Mom. "Me either," said Dad. "But, oh my gosh, I saw the doorknob move again." Now, back to my sentence. "Wait," screamed Emily. "See, Christian just asked Mom to go to the bathroom again." "Now I can see your point more clearly," said Mom. "Me too," said Dad. "We don't know that Christian is doing this for sure," said Dad. "I think he did it to play a trick on me," said Emily. "Well, I have a plan that whoever's playing tricks on us will be sorry." "What is it?" said Emily. Emily's dad said, "I will stand right outside the back door." Then he pointed to Emily's mother and said, "You can guard the bathroom, and Emily, you can stand by the front door. But do not tell Christian," said Emily's father. "I will not," said Emily's mother. "Me either," said Emily. "Well, then let's do the plan now," said Emily's dad. "So let's all get into our spots now," said Emily's mom. Once they got into their spots, they waited 5 minutes, and then Emily's dad saw something. It was not Christian. It was Joe, who always liked to play tricks on people. Once Joe saw Emily's dad, he ran far out of sight. So Emily's dad said so it wasn't Christian. Then Emily and her mom came over and asked, "So did you catch whoever was playing tricks on us?" "Yes, I saw who it was. Joe," said Emily's dad. When they asked Christian, why did you go to the bathroom?" he said, "I was going over my friends' houses." Once they got that straightened out, they told Joe's mom, and she said it would never happen again.
All right, let's preview it. I don't know, you started out here and then you started moving back, so I hope it doesn't get... Okay, let's listen.